Hokkaido Premium Cheese. Masarap. Nakain na namin isa. Nakikinig yung legs ko. Yeah. Yung history daw ng Hokkaido, according to Brian, yung tour guide namin, sa taas na kami ng Mount Moiwa, Daddy, MJ. Good morning. Good morning uli. So now it's almost 11 a.m. and I'm just waiting for RC and MJ. So it's gonna be a full day again today. So medyo late kami kasi napagod kami kahapon talaga kasi mga 10 na kami nakabalik or 11 p.m. na kami nakabalik ng hotel. So we see to it that we have enough sleep today. So we have so we can have the strength to we will have the strength to do all the things that we want to do today. Hopefully, matapos namin and magawa namin. Okay, so today, since hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast and we are all hungry, we will try yung conveyor sushi, Toriton. I think it's 7 minutes daw, according to RC from the hotel. So, though the opposite side siya ng Sapporo, so, we will eat there and hindi pa kami nakapag-conveyor belt. So, Hokkaido or Sapporo is famous doon sa mga conveyor belt sushi na elevated ang lasa daw compared to the one in Tokyo. Okay, and then after that, we will head to Sapporo Beer Museum. It's another 7-minute walk again from that restaurant or that conveyor sushi restaurant. And then after, we will go to Hokkaido Prefectural Government Building. Yan. So, magkakadikit na rin naman yun. Nandun na rin yung Sapporo Clock Tower and Sapporo TV Tower. Meron din kaming ticket for the Sapporo TV Tower but we haven't used it yet. We'll see if we will be using it today. Sana gusto namin gabi. But may Mount Moiwa pa rin kami. So, likely we will already try to see or to go up na dun sa TV Tower today. And then after that, para magpapalipas kami ng pagod or magpapahinga kami to freshen up. Hindi na kami babalik sa hotel. Pupunta kami ng Maruyama Park or Maruyama Koen. So that's Orange Line kung pupunta kayo doon. So meron doon zoo, primeval forest and other things, shrine meron din ata. So we'll see kung ano yung makikita namin doon sa Maruyama Koen. And then after that, we will head to Odori. Hopefully kung gutom na kami doon, we will have dinner before we head to the Mount Moiwa ropeway. So mag-ropeway kami. So magta-tram kami. So may tram pa rin dito sa Sapporo. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, 'di ba, yung vibe dito iba, katulad din ng Hakodate. European yung vibe dito. Okay? So malamig yung weather ngayon. I think it's just 24-ish degrees. Since maaga pa, I think it's even cooler. And usually naman umiinit mga between 1 to 3 p.m. Pagka nawala na yung sun, 5 o'clock, nag-start na uling lumamig. Yun. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming paggala today and we'll show you a glimpse of what we will be seeing today. Okay? So, tara na! Let's go! Yan. So, yan, nakikita nyo yung may nakalagay Toriton na restaurant. Doon namin gusto sana kumain. Sana. Hindi namin alam gaano kahaba yung pila. Baka meron pa yan sa likod, ano? Hopefully na lang. Sige. Yung restaurant. Kaya 2 hours daw yung waiting time. I don't think we have 2 hours to line up. So, we'll probably execute our plan B. Kay KK, yung buhok ko sabog-sabog at nakapayong. Tirik yung araw, though hindi mainit. Malamig yung weather. Hindi naman malamig na malamig per se. Pero hindi ka papawisan. Kaya lang, mataas yung araw. And very sunny. Kaya hindi ko matanggal yung shades ko. Sumasakit yung ulo ko sa brightness ng sun. Okay, so Daddy will execute plan B. Because 2 hours is too much of a wait. So we'll execute our next plan, which is, I don't know.
Surprise!
Surprise daw! I guess this is the plan B. Famous doon naman daw na restaurant. So we'll see if ma-accommodate kami. Wala namang pila. Nasa loob na kami. Maliit lang yung restaurant. Probably less than 20 yung kaya niyang isit. That's the typical Japanese restaurant na maliliit. So, ito yung menu nila. So, puro pork daw dito. Buta doon eh. So, parang gyudon. Pero ito, pork. Okay, so the prices ranges from as low as 1,040 including tax. Oh, meron nga mga 790 pala. May mga 800 yen. To as much as, may nakita ko doon 2,000 sa loob eh. So, we'll see. Hindi ko pa na-translate. Ay, mas okay ba to? Maybe I need to translate. Ay, picture lang yung titingnan ko eh. Ito kasi 1.5 daw yung size ng and 250 grams yung pork. Ito comes with
number. Parts of yung special.
Yan na lang din. Paras na lang tayo.
Dalawa nito.
Okay. Ito is buta-buta doon, special. So, may regular portion. Meron din sila na buta doon special. Comes with 1.5 times of ordinary portion and a regular portion ng rice. So, ito yung ano mo, the amount. I'll just have this.
And small portion ng rice.
Ito sa akin. Pares lang yan, di ba? O hindi?
Hindi.
Okay. Sige. So, ito lang yung choice mo sa buta doon special.
Ito, isa, one, and then dalawa.
Okay.
Small portion ng rice.
Okay. Yep. Maipakita natin. Sa akin regular lang. Na pork size. So, 250 grams yung rice. And I think 350 grams yung meat. And I also ordered special miso. So, I like it with soup all the time. Hindi makikita eh. So, hirap makita. Ayan. So, there. Okay?
And this is a special limited set.
Ano nga yun sa'yo, Daddy?
It's the regular but more meat, 1.5 the size. And this one, this is the limited number. Buta Zanmai.
Yours is not? You didn't order?
Just to check the difference later.
Okay, buta Zanmai pala to. I thought Daddy got limited. Okay. So, we'll try this out and we'll let you know how it is. But before we do that, let me show you muna. Sarap. Malambot. Dami kumakain. Pila lang. Kaya tayo ng rice.
Ito saan ko yung butang to?
Hindi ko nararamdaman yung difference pero lasa-wise, walang difference. Likely sa tenderness ng meat lagi. Okay? Kain muna kami mga KKKs. Later ulit. KKKs, tapos na kami. Nakalabas na kami doon sa Buta doon. Shop. Restaurant. Masarap. 5-star. Sakto lang yung lasa ng meat. Just like the usual pagkain ng mga pagtimpla. So, pupunta na kami sa Sapporo Beer Garden. So, yun. Sama na rin kayo doon. Maglasing tayo. Inuman tayo ng beer. So, ayan. Pumasok kami doon sa DCM. Hindi namin alam kung ano. Akala namin, grocery. Kasi naghahanap kami nung noodles na gusto ni MJ. Apparently, ano pala yan? Ano nga to? Parang Ace. Yan, home improvement shops. Tsaka mga household, ano, yung mga laundry soap, ganyan. Mga pang home improvement na mga binibenta doon. Okay? So, lakad uli kami. Ang lakas ng sinag ng araw. Kakaliwa kami daw dito. And magkita tayo pag nandun na tayo kami sa Sapporo Beer Garden. Okay? So again, di na muna namin kayo sasama sa paglalakad kasi nakakapagod maglakad. Kaya hindi na kayo mapagod. Okay? Bye-bye! See you later! Yan, so nandun na kami sa Sapporo Beer Garden, yung may star daw na yon sa tower. Pero looks like nire-renovate. Kasi may takip yung yung pinaka-building. Yan, so depende sa pace ng lakad nyo. Oh, wait. Ang laki niya. Ang gwapo. Or maganda. Ayun, magpa-video. See? Iwan ka na.
You shouldn't anger the crows.
So, ayan, sabi, this building is the restaurant and it's open. For full. So, all seats are booked now. Please book your seat at our reception before waiting. Restaurant is open on the second floor. And this is the Sapporo Beer Garden. But it's all booked now. Where did you, I thought there's a beer tasting. That's part of the restaurant or no? I think this is Genghis Khan kasi, di ba? We will do some beer sampling. Doon yun ipo-brew. And then kami upo. Ayun may beer sampling na gano'n. Kaya lang, can you finish all those? This one. So, walang seats available. You just have to be here. I'll give you some black label. Bye. Drop. Magustuhan to ni MJ. I'll give it to her. 100 yen. This is 200 yen. And that is beer is 450 yen. Bakit may cheese pa siya?
Tawag ko. Tingnan natin.
Yan, masarap. Gusto magpuntuhan. Siyempre na, ito na tayo. Try na natin. Masarap to. Pinapita rin to. Lasang beer. Pero hindi mapait. Ito. Hokkaido premium cheese. Masarap. Nakain na namin isa.
Gusto yung isa.
200 yen. So, 100 yen isa.
150 yen. 150 yen.
150 yen to.
150.
So, 75 yen.
75 yen isa. Masarap din siya with beer. Surprisingly. Masarap with beer.
Pulutan. Pag ininom kasi ni Daddy yung sampler,
Masarap din to. Ito 100 yen.
malalasing siya kasi wala siyang kahati.
That's why black label lang.
Ano ba ininom mo?
Black label.
Ito rin. White label.
White label yan. Puro din yan, no?
Apple juice to. Suhay lang ako, yung matamis-tamis.
It's a good
Experience.
experience.
And after neto, punta na tayo dun sa...
Punta na kami sa Poro area, sa Poro Odori area. Bago mag-Mount Moywan.
I thought pupunta tayo sa
Mariyama.
Maruyama.
Mariyama Park naman. Yes, you're right.
Okay? So, mamaya kita tayo sa next station namin. Kaya mo?
Yeah.
Kaya mo bumalik doon?
Yeah.
Sure ka? Ikaw, kaya mo?
Medyo takot ako sa heights eh. Medyo...
Ako hindi eh.
Wow, sure. Okay. That video.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. That's hanggang doon sa pinakadulo ng antena yun, Jay. Isa-isang person na lang pwede doon. Isasabit ka sa tuktok. Yeah, so we'll go up there. So we already have a ticket. We purchased the ticket in advance. So, hindi kami nag-taxi. Apparently, meron ding bus doon. The opposite sa, malapit lang actually. Malapit dun sa pinasukan namin, dinaanan namin papasok. So, dun yung bus stop. So, yun. Mas nakatipid. The bus natin, 240. Not bad.
Mga 1,000, more than 1,000 yan din yung mga na-save natin.
Okay. So, papanik kami doon at katirikan ng araw. We'll see.
Dito rin naman tayo pababa, no? Kung nag-taxi tayo, so sino lang.
Okay. Ayun yung baba. So, may grill, pala dito, oh. Samgyupan. Maybe because it's Sunday. So, pasok kami dyan. We need to get to the 3rd floor for the... Up until 3rd floor, free. Wala silang ticket, Daddy. Go to 3rd floor, no?
3rd floor din naman lahat talaga kasi doon yung papuntang observatory. So, free entrance up to the 3rd floor. Yeah. Doon sila bibili ng ticket. Doon yung ticket.
Okay. Okay. Yep. It's the 3rd floor. And that's a ticket booth. So, I think we need to exchange the ticket that we bought into the actual ticket, right? So, and may souvenir shop. Oh, you get the stamp. So, get the stamp, baby. You can figure that out. Yeah. Oh, that's it? I think more.
I think you like go to other places.
Amazing Race.
That's it.
So, iba-ibang part daw dito. You get to complete the stamp na maging ganyan ang itsura. Okay? We're entering. So, meron silang mga social media. I will be scared. Can you see? I'm so scared now. I don't like to look. Nanginginig yung legs ko.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, it's like 360 degrees. Grabe, takot talaga ako sa heights, mga kakaibigan.
Ako na lang. Doon yung Odori side part, tsaka yung park part.
Nanginginig yung legs ko, yung pagpanik ng so we'll go together. You gonna follow us?
Ah. This is the Odori Park side. The left there is the Sokino. After the Ferris wheel.
Where the last station is actually the 360 degree view ng Sapporo. This is the Odori area. And ang ganda niyan kapag winter or even spring, may mga snow caps pa. Now it's summer, so all green. And this is the souvenir shop. Anything that interests you? So the old me will always buy souvenirs. Oh. I told them that the old me will always get something. Even if... Ay, cute ng dog, oh, bebe.
Huh?
Yeah. Dog yan, di ba? Okay. Everywhere meron ito. Ito yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Shiroi Koibito. Cookie. Masarap yan. And this is a photo, souvenir. Yeah. And ito naman yung other side. That's even more scary. And this is the coin stamp. Usually get coin stamp, right? Oh, we're back. So, it's the same. Complete na yung stamp niya. Here. Sa third station. Ah, galing ah. Meron na. Meron na siya.
Yung corner of the first floor. Sa dalawa pala sa third floor.
Saan yung isa?
Base main. Ito observatory. Observatory din to.
Where's that then?
I think this should be the last one.
May observatory din to. Observatory.
This one, I think. Should that be
Magkano daw?
1,000 photo comment. Set. Ito daw. Frame ito.
Ay,
Tingnan mo na yung picture mo. Maganda ba?
yep.
Picture, yes.
Do you look pretty?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. Yeah, ano? Open na to?
Okay. Okay.
Ano, kasama to? Ano gusto mo? Ano? Just asking. What like?
I think that would be enough. Para
Para
lang may cover. Aha. Ay.
Card, okay?
libre lang. Panik dito. So, there's also lots of shops here. Oh, 360 degrees din. Pero sa taas, super nakakalula. Kasi ang liit ng space na iikutan mo. Ang cute. Sapporo. Sila daddy ay naghahanap ng sticker. Galing yan. Tingnan nyo. Ibang color. Pwede mong ilagay yan sa ano. Wow! Naging blue naman. Galing. Nice.
Ano?
Ayun, pink.
Okay, we see one more. The green one.
Nice. Sa basement kami. Hanggang basement pala to. So, syempre si MJ, kino-complete niya yung kanyang... were you able to complete? I see. The final look. Sugoy. Kamukha ba? Hindi masyado. Pero it's good.
Yeah, mas kamukha yun, no?
Patingin.
It's the blue that doesn't...
Nice. I guess we're done here. We're done here na sa Sapporo TV Tower. Natakot ako sa taas. Parang feeling ko gumagalaw. Umaalog. Pero malamang yun sa pag-akit ng elevator yun. Okay, so now we're going to Maruyama Koen and Zoo. So doon kami medyo magpapagabi, and then before we head to the Mount Moiwa, magro-ropeway kami. Change of plan mga ka-KKKs. Napa-stick na yung puwet ko dito eh. Hop. Naisip namin mag-skip muna ngayon yung park, Maruyama Park. Actually, naisip ko kasi ang sarap umupo dito, parang libreng aircon. Some people watching now. I'm eating this ano nga yan, Bek? Pakita mo sa kanila. Is it worth the
popcorn.
Is it worth the price?
Masarap siya, pero parang...
Ay, nangihingi. Ang hihingi.
Show the camera. Show it.
Yan. Sige, bato mo lang. Ay,
doesn't want
ang lakas mo bumato eh. Lagay mo lang sa lupa. Lalapit sa'yo. Lagay mo sa may paa mo para mas malapit sa'yo. Oh, see? If you put it near you, the bird will get near you. The crumbs lang later. Baka mabilao ka. We're now going to Maruyama Koen. And look at the floor of their station. Kasi there's a zoo. So maybe the zoo also have crocodile and lion and tiger and what's that, seal and monkey and cows. So many. We'll get to see.
Well, if we're lucky, there could be a red panda.
Red panda?
Let's get into
Okay.
Those are my second favorite animals ever.
Maruyama, Koen, Orange Line yung sasakyan, and then exit 3 pagbaba ng Maruyama Station. Yun yung papunta dun sa Koen or Park. Ayan o, Maruyama Park. Elevator there. Okay. Okay.
Let's see.
from exit 3 ng Maruyama Station, diretso na lang or turn right kapag humarap kayo sa kalsada. So, and then straight ahead. Ayan na yun. Makikita nyo, tingin lang kayo saan yung may mga luscious of greens or trees. Baka pag winter wala, no? So, ibang season. So, dun kayo.
Oh, ganda rin yung architecture niya.
Tingnan nyo, iba talaga yung architecture dito eh. Tsaka napansin ko maraming Catholic church dito compared to other prefectures ng Japan. Kasi history daw ng Japan ay little lesson. Yung history daw ng Hokkaido, according to Brian, yung tour guide namin yesterday is 150 years daw tong na-neglect. Kasi during the, I think, late 18th century, ang nakatira lang dito, or early 19th century, ang nakatira lang dito ay mga old soldiers. Yan. So, and then, they developed the main island, which is essentially, likely yung Kyushu, yung Tokyo, and eto, na-neglect. Puro soldiers lang, at saka yung mga Ainu siguro, yung mga nakatira dito. And so, and then eventually, when they start developing this, parang nagkaroon ng partnership with other Western countries. Holland, he mentioned Holland eh. Yung unang nanirahan ng mga foreigners here in Hokkaido. Kaya, yung vibe dito is European. Kita nyo yung Otaru, maraming red bricks, and even the beer, yung Sapporo beer, kaya na museum na pinuntahan namin, yung history niya is also the same. Though the technology came from German, Japanese din naman yung nag-lead ng pag-create ng brewery, beer brewery here. Okay? Pupunta tayo. Going to the zoo. There are no garbage cans in the park. Please take your trash out with you.
This is the map. And this is the map.
Okay. Important, when you are traveling, follow the rules. This is a good place to relax. Park is always a good place to relax. This is a big park actually, where you get to enjoy nature and hindi nyo kailangan mag-travel ng super layo. Oo nga. So, medyo foresty na tong itsura ng Maruyama Park. Amoy halaman. Amoy greens. I can hear some water flowing from somewhere. Quite a hike. Ayan o. Ang ganda nung maganda tong pasyalan. Sa mga may kids dyan, kung magsasaporo kayo, Hokkaido, this is just 19 minutes, 3 station away from Odori Station, Maruyama Park. Okay, punta kayo dito. DM nyo lang Archie_Medes sa IG for the itinerary. Joke. Badag message nga sila, no?
Oh, glad to share.
So, unfortunately, para may bus dito, oh. Opening hours hanggang 4:30 naman. 4:15 pa lang, oh. Diba?
That's what I did check.
It's okay. It's a good walk. You were able. We can walk back. Silipin? Nasaan tayo?
Nasa Maruyama Park tayo ngayon. And we're eating yung mga binili namin kanina sa Dongguri.
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 Sarap. Ang daming mukhang masasarap na pastries.
And panalo tong sausage.
And mura lang, diba?
Big sausage with
cheese.
cheese.
Sabi ni Gibbal, pengi. Okay, so, unfortunately, hindi kami umabot sa zoo. Hanggang 4 o'clock lang pala yung cut-off ng pagpasok. But, it's a good walk. Kasi nakalakad kami dun sa
Primeval forest.
Primeval forest. Ang lalaki ng mga cedar. Well, I don't know.
If cedar or pine trees, but
It looks like pine trees to me kasi ang daming pine cones. Kalat. So, pero, ang tataba niya. Tulad nito. Actually, ito. Diba? So, look at the tree. Daddy. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Mga KKKs. Yan, the one here. Diba? Ano ba yan? Sige nga. Diba pine trees yan? Naging ganun. Puro ganyan. Mas malalaki dyan yung trunk ng mga nadaanan namin. MJ is eating her macaron and then trying to...
with the macaron and then
Ano yan?
I ate the
Garlic,
macaron already. I finished it.
Chocolate macaron.
Yeah, I finished it.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Mura yun. 180 yen lang. Diba? Sa Paul, magkano? Sa Philippines. Okay. So, we will enjoy muna ang aming snacking here in Maruyama Park. At magpapahinga kami. Pag malamig-lamig na, we will start walking back to the station. And babalik kami sa Odori. Then, magta-tram.
Odori sa Sokino, papunta para mag-tram.
Either. Magta-tram kami papunta sa Mount Moiwa Ropeway.
How do you eat it?
Okay, so susunod na vlog natin, pakita na namin sa inyo, nandun na kami papanik sa ropeway. Okay? Kita-kits tayo in a while. Yeah, so now we are already in Mount Moiwa Ropeway. So, there. Mount Moiwa Ropeway. Ticket information up there, 4th floor. You need to take the elevator. Just waiting for daddy. This is the CR. Lasog-lasog na ang itsura. Pagod na. Actually, we were lucky kasi from Maruyama station, we thought we need to go back to Odori to take the tram. But fortunately, we discovered that there is a bus that will take us directly here from there. Exit 3, magkakadikit na pala yun. Exit 1 sa likod. Pagbaba nyo ng 3, tapos ikot lang kayo. 1. So, that same area. Doon din yung bus that you can take. Bus number 11. That will take you to Mount Moiwa Ropeway. So, that's why here we come. Tara na, pahiga tayo. Sa 4th floor, may view na kagad. So, these are all written in Japanese. I don't know how to read. But we actually bought a ticket na online via Klook. So, we just need to get the actual ticket. So, even if you already bought a ticket online, you still need to fall in line and get the actual ticket from the ticket information. Camera from the viewing deck. So that's the actual view right now. And it's funny here. Read that. Even if you are not satisfied with the scenery due to bad weather, etc., we will not refund. Of course, who will dare to ask for a refund? So adult pair is 2,100. Senior citizen, 65 up, 1,680. Yung round trip na yun. And then child, 1,050.
白い塔は平和の塔でございます。この塔はインドのネール首相より贈られたお釈迦様のお骨の一部、仏舎とともに道内の戦没者の霊を祀った慰霊塔でもございます。The white building on the left towards the foot of the mountain is a stupa called the Sapporo Peace Pagoda. It is a memorial built to pray for peace. 続きまして、正面は札幌市の中心部、大通り月の地区でございます。The many buildings viewable at the foot of the mountain are in the Odori and Tsukino districts. This is the downtown view. We will soon be arriving at the midpoint station. At the midpoint station, you can change to the mini cable car to reach the summit station. At the top summit station, you can enjoy an observatory, a restaurant, and a souvenir shop. Please have your ticket ready before transferring at the mini cable car boarding area.
Wow, so dark. And there's light. Wow. I think that card is better. I can't see anything from here. Right? That's the pool of Sapporo. May kupal naman yung doble. May baseball na Olympics. Okay. Okay, so we're here. Top of the mountain, top of Mount Mohiwa. No recording. Nasa taas na kami ng Mount Mohiwa. Daddy, MJ. Okay, after flight of stairs, going up. Stairs lang, joke lang. Then nag-ropeway kami. Twice, initially yung big cart and then we moved to a smaller one. Kaya pala smaller kasi they divided it to two. Okay. So ito yung view from here. It's really mesmerizing. Isn't it? Right. Ayan. So, but for now, this is what you get to see. Mountain ranges from here. That's where the sun's going to set. The sunset today is 7:13 and it's just 6:10 p.m. And I think as we get nearer to the sunset, or as most people prefer to be here at night, I think, because the view is better at night. Okay. them seems like going down. So you can find the same pressure. Talagang mas popular yun sa gabi, ah. Ayan, hello. Good evening. Gabi na dito. Actually, almost 10 o'clock na. 9:40 p.m. to be exact, Japan time. So, we're just waiting. We're actually here in Susukino from Mount Moiwa kanina. So, pumunta kami diretso sa Susukino. So, we took the free shuttle going to the tram, and then from tram, dito na kami nag-stop sa Susukino. The plan is to eat somewhere here, and we're currently here dito sa sushi, conveyor belt sushi restaurant. However, ang tagal ng waiting time, so we decided na mag-order na lang for takeout, and then we will go back na to the hotel. Magka-taxi na lang kami babalik sa hotel. Total malapit na rin naman tong Susukino to our hotel. Ayun, so marami tayong activities today. So as I mentioned kaninang umaga, so marami tayong na accomplish. So we're able to go to eat butadon, yung masarap na butadon near our hotel. Di kami naging successful sa ramen, so yung plan B. And then after doon, pumunta kami sa Sapporo Beer Garden, and then we proceeded to Odori Park and Sapporo TV Tower sa taas. Although takot na takot ako kasi parang feeling ko umaalog sa taas kasi very small lang yung area, and ang taas talagang takot ako sa heights. And then after that, nag-chill lang kami sandali sa Odori. Initially we thought of staying there, but we nagkaroon ng energy after mga 30 minutes rest, and we decided to still proceed yung plan to go to Moriyama Park. So the plan is also to go inside the zoo. However, close na yung zoo as early as 4 p.m. So kaya if you plan to go to the zoo there, so be there early. So nilakad lang namin going to the zoo from the station, from the park, Moriyama Park, and then umikot din kami kasi sarado. So bumalik din kami sa park, nagpahinga, and then after that we went straight to yun, it's a pleasant surprise kasi we thought we need to go back to Odori. However, hindi na pala kailangan kasi may bus doon that will bring us directly to or dun sa Mount Moiwa. So, galing, no? So, pag pumunta kayo doon, check that out. Exit 3 kami. So, hindi naman kami lumayo doon sa exit na yun. Pag pumunta ka, umikot ka, you'll see yung exit 1. That's where you'll see yung schedule ng bus. We took bus 11. I don't know if there are other buses that also stop doon sa Mount Moiwa. But, that's the bus we took earlier. Yun na. And then, nag-ropeway going to the top of the mountain to wait sana for the night to get a good view. We stayed there until before 8 p.m. and then sobrang dami ng tao. So we decided to go down na ng mga 8. So and then from there nag-shuttle nga kami going to the tram station and then tram to Susukino. So that's actually our day today, and it was quite an adventure, but okay. So far marami namang mga chillax, and we enjoyed the good weather doon sa Mount Moiwa. Cool weather sa Mount Moiwa. Okay? So, thank you ulit sa pagsama. Hope you enjoyed yung vlog kahit hindi kami pro. Hindi ako pro pag-create ng content. But I hope that you get an idea on what to do when you get the chance to come here in Sapporo. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day and God bless.